Alright, so we have Ian right there on camera. See, nice little setup. No, just look at Breeze. I want to send me a look. Alright, so today guys, we're shooting using the Viltrox 75 1.2 using a 3 light setup. So we have two key light right here. We have an 8600, we have an X8600, and we have an 8400 Pro at the back. And as you can see, the U reflector. So we're going to see what some of the shots look like. You get me? And I have my GoPro on top to get the POV. All right. So give me something like you're utilizing your hands. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah. Hope and pray. All right. Nice. I'm coming in closer. This is gorgeous. Love it. Hopefully nobody says that this is an overkill. Nice. All right, let me step back a bit. Yo, it is giving Vogue. Yes, love it. One more. Look at me. All right, hold on. Let me stop this. Record it again. So I'll show you the preview.
Ooh, that's gorgeous.
You don't know the editing behavior is going to be a bit different. You get me?
Yeah, that's
when
gorgeous.
you start edit. Yo, me just worry about why them. There's a breeze or so with them here now. All right, so let me get another one. It's a close up. Oh, this is full body. Give a bit more over this side. It's nice. You know what I wish? That the more sun was out. I wish that I have more sun. All right. Yeah, keep that. Let me just frame it a bit. One more, changing my angle. All right, the sun is coming out. So typically when I'm shooting, right, I like to see where the sun is coming from. So the sun is coming from that direction, right? So I normally like to balance it off with a light here on the opposite side, and then a next light here at the opposite side. I don't really shoot with a 3 light setup because it's not really necessary, to be honest. But let me just bring this a little bit closer. A little bit closer, right? Make sure that both lights at the front is at a 45-degree angle. So let me test this out. Now, so give me like a none vibe. Yeah. Oh, that's none. 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 Hold on. Alright. Let me see what it look like. So give me something else give me another one like this. Like show more your curve.
Curves, okay.
Yeah. Keep that. Yeah, one more. Yes, love it. Ah, love that. All right, so I want you to do that, right? But in here, try another pathway. Alright.